fun stuff with Vincent. Happy Mother's Day. I challenge you to make a crayon puzzle heart. Let's do it. Hi, I'm Vincent. I'm Nessa. And today we're gonna make something cool for Mother's Day. So get your crayons and your candles. First, we need to peel off this paper. Like rip it. And that's all. Why do you love Mama? No. One crayon done, a bunch to go. Look at these old colorful crayons. It's time to break them into threes. This is how you break. See, I'm holding on both sides. Ball. Then, oh, ouch. It's very hard though. See? You broke it. No, break into threes. I think it's two. This. Try to make them smaller. You can do any mold what's oven safe. Look at our beautiful combination. It's time to put them in the oven. Set your oven for 215 degrees and watch them melt. We set the timer for 10 minutes and then we check if they're all melted. Let them cool off and do not stir. They are ready. Now we need to take them out and make a puzzle heart. You know they can connect. Bam. Connected. Now let's see if this one's gonna connect to this. Yes. Check out these puzzle pieces. They're so cool. One is smooth, one is hard. It's time to put our heart together. Making your heart trick all around. It's taking a long time, but I think my mom is gonna love it. Wow, this is getting very challenging. This one looks like a tornado, doesn't it? The puzzle is getting harder and harder. But I think I'm getting it. I'm so close. Time to get the gaps closed on top. Last one. Our puzzle heart is finished. I'm so excited. Now we need to wait for it to dry. And then we put it in a box. I challenge you to make a puzzle heart like I did. Do you think you can do it? Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe. I hope my mom likes it. Bye. Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Mama. I made it for you. Bye.